Why are some people super outgoing while others prefer staying quiet? Why do some of us plan everything in detail while others just go with the flow? And why does your best friend love taking risks while you're like, nope, not today? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's Psychology Series episode, we're exploring personality theories, the different ways psychologists have tried to explain what makes you, you. What is personality in psychology? Personality is basically the unique mix of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make each person different. It's why you can instantly say, yeah, that's so them when your friend does something typical. Freud, the unconscious mind. Let's start with Sigmund Freud. He believed personality comes from conflicts between three forces. The I, your instincts, I want cake now. The superego, your moral side, no, cake is bad for you. And the ego, the negotiator in between. So if you've ever argued with yourself about eating junk food, congratulations, Freud would say your id, ego, and superego are having a meeting. Jung, archetypes and the collective unconscious. Next, Carl Jung, Freud's student turned rival. Jung believed we all share a collective unconscious filled with universal symbols or archetypes. For example, the hero, the mother, or the shadow appear in myths, movies, and even dreams across cultures. That's why so many stories, from Marvel movies to ancient legends, feel familiar. Jung would say our minds recognize these archetypes naturally. The Big Five personality traits. Fast forward to modern psychology, and we have the Big Five personality traits. This is one of the most widely accepted models today. It says we all fall somewhere on 5 spectrums. Openness, are you creative and curious, or more traditional? Conscientiousness, are you organized and disciplined, or more easygoing? Extraversion, do you recharge by being social or by being alone? Agreeableness, are you cooperative and kind, or more competitive? Neuroticism, do you stay calm or stress easily? Together, these traits give us a pretty good picture of someone's personality. And yes, there are plenty of online tests you can try. Just be careful, not all of them are scientific. Why personality theories matter. Understanding personality helps in so many areas, from choosing a career that fits you, to improving relationships, to even understanding why some group projects are a total disaster. Spoiler alert, it's usually the clash of personalities, not just laziness. So here's the big picture. Personality is what makes each of us unique, and psychology gives us tools to understand it, from Freud's unconscious drives to modern scientific traits. In the next episode, we'll look at learning and conditioning, how habits form, why we learn the way we do, and yes, why your brain keeps rewarding you for checking your phone. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep discovering the science of who we are.